In this video, we'll show you how to install the Pro 3 roof rack crossbars on a Kia Soul using the P301 brackets. Let's get started. Insert the key and unlock the head unit cap. Attach the rubber bases. Insert the headset to the aluminum bars. Open the fixing point cap to reveal the fixing point. For the first installation, factory residue may be inside the bolt holes. Insert and remove the bolt to clear them. Attach the sponge to the bracket. Align the bracket, insert the bolt, and finger tighten it. Do not fully tighten yet. Place the head unit on the vehicle roof. Insert the bolt to secure the head unit to the metal bracket. Make sure to tighten side by side. Fully tighten the metal bracket. Tighten the yellow knob to secure the head unit to the aluminum bars. Turn the key to the unlock position, slide it in, and lock it back. Your roof rack is now installed. Make sure all bolts are fully tightened before driving. For more roof rack solutions and accessories, Thanks for watching.